Hi everyone, it's Bendy. So, as usual, I was scavenging Twitter when I came across this post, and I just knew I needed to make a new Framer tutorial. So without further ado, let us get started. And at the end, you will see an example of what you can do with more time. So, the first thing I did, I just created some cutouts of an image on Figma, an image that you can easily find on Google by typing Games DVD cover. Now I headed out to Framer, where I created a page. Next, create a frame with those dimensions. Then wrap it in a stack with its dimensions set to fit content, rename it, and duplicate it. Create another with those dimensions, then wrap it in another stack, and duplicate it again. Lastly, create a final frame with those dimensions and do the same process. Once you have got everything, wrap all of them in a final stack, then call it DVD. Select everything besides the front stack and put them in an absolute position, and then start positioning them as I am doing. Basically, put the top stack nested to the top, the bottom to the bottom, the left to the left, and so on. Select the back stack, go to Transform, then add a depth, and set it to -11. Select the top stack and add a 3D rotation. Set its x-axis to 90, and do not forget to nest it to the top again. Do the same thing for the bottom stack. Select the left side stack and add a 3D rotation. But now set its y-axis to 90 and nest it again to the left. Do the same thing for the right side stack. But especially for this one, also add an origin to it. Lastly, add a 16-pixel depth to the front stack. Now select the whole stack and create a component. In the component window, select each frame and add a variable to the fill option. Then add the corresponding image. If the back image appears, just set its z-index to 0. Now go back, then wrap the DVD stack in another stack. Select the DVD stack, then go to Transform and add a Preserve 3D effect on it. Go back to the component window and select the first variant, then add this code that you can find in the description. To do that, go to Code Overrides, then add an example, delete everything, and replace it with the code you just copied. Follow me. Now go back to the main page and create a new component. Add a hover state, then add a 3D rotation to the main variant. And now you can do as you want for the settings. Then go to Transition and follow my settings, and you are basically done. If you want to duplicate it, just go to the component window, and for each image you want to change, create a variable in the fill option, just like I am doing. And there you go.